Year we have registered 49 cases, in which 17 we have detected. So workout percentage will be 35%, and we have arrested 27 last year itself. See, some cases, जैसे one case में there was a telegram में one person was asked to transfer, so that it was close to 1 crore. So the money varies, but I think the overall amount will be in, मतलब सारे cases ऐड करेगा तो it will be in crores. No. Some are Nigerians, but majority of them are Indians. But what is happening is, like, see, I'll tell you what is happening. The brainchild of most of the master brain जो है, they are actually outsiders. They come in contact with some of the local Indian people. उनको छोटा सा एक ये देके, मतलब दे आर एक्चुअली ब्रॉट इनटू द क्राइम. यू गिव मी योर अकाउंट नंबर, आप उनके अकाउंट नंबर ले लेते, देन उसके अकाउंट नंबर में पैसा डालते हैं, एंड ही गेट्स ए सिंपल कमीशन. देन द मेन मनी इज सोर्स्ड by is taken by the criminal.